Hey, welcome to another tutorial on using the DVD Ranger software. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create a mobile copy of a DVD. So I'm going to start by opening up the software. And once the software loads, we'll be at the main interface. What I'm going to do now is put my DVD into the DVD drive, and it'll take a couple seconds for the program to pick it up. And there we go. It's going to ask to create a copy. We're going to hit yes. And you can see it automatically populated our source to The Big Bang Theory Season 1. It's a great TV show. I strongly recommend watching it. You could also manually select something from the drop-down list. If you wanted to use a USB or FireWire device, you could put that in and hit refresh, and then it would bring it up on this list. But for right now, we're just going to stick with The Big Bang Theory Season 1. Next is to select our project. For this tutorial, we're going over how to make a mobile copy, so I'm going to choose that option. So now we're going to analyze the disk, and when that's done, it's going to calculate this field down here. The DVD Ranger software, one of the features is it'll select what it thinks is the best video title for a DVD. In any DVD, you're going to have several different video titles, sometimes 3, 10, or even more. And DVD Ranger picks what it thinks is the best one. As you can see here, we have many different video titles. All these 20-minute titles are the actual episodes for the TV series. We have a minute title right here, a 30-second title here, 29-second there. Those could be the intro title for the DVD, or it could be the credits, or a wide variety of other things. The one that DVD Ranger chose by default is 2 hours, so this includes all the episodes in the series. So that's kind of handy, so it prevents a little bit of frustration from accidentally selecting the wrong title. Once you're done with that, you select our target. We could bring it to an iPod, PSP, Zune, or Wii. We're going to go with the PSP for this tutorial. Next, you can click on Settings. Since we're copying it to a PSP, this will bring up all the profiles for the PSP. All these have been tested and will ensure good quality in the final product. So for this tutorial, I'm going to choose the second to last one here. Going to select OK. Now that we have our settings taken care of, the last thing to do is to look at these 3 tabs: Audio, Subtitles, and Angles. Audio is to choose what language you want your audio in. Here, English is the only option. Subtitles are going to be ignored until the subtitles are hard-coded into the movie. And Angles, here we only have movie angle 1. For different languages, sometimes you might have different options for different angles, and you could choose that here. You can preview the DVD by hitting this play button. I just clicked it. It'll take a few seconds. Alright, so right now this is the beginning of the first episode for The Big Bang Theory. So I'm going to stop that. And there was audio playing. I know you can't hear that, but the audio was playing. So if you chose a language, you can make sure you have the right language and it sounds right before you actually begin the process. So once you preview that and all of your settings are set, then you can click the Start Now button. It's going to pop up the folder that you want to save it in. I'm going to type the name of my PSP, and it'll automatically put the extension MP4 in it because that's the profile we chose. Hit save. And now the DVD Ranger progress window will pop up. As you can see, we have a snapshot preview right here to show you what's being copied. The right hand is a bitrate meter, but this is disabled for the mobile copy function. We can select this checkbox to automatically shut down the computer when it's done. So if you just want to get this going and you have to leave the house for whatever reason, you're going to be gone for a few hours, you can just select this so you won't keep your computer on. Then obviously the cancel button will cancel it. The progress moves along, you'll see this bar go up to 100%, and the remaining time keeps updating. Looks like it's going to take about 50 minutes, give or take, from here, so we'll let this run, and I'll get back with you when it's all done. Alright, after the copy process is complete, then you'll get a message box like this. If you selected for your computer to automatically shut down after the copy, then your computer would shut down now, but instead we get this. And then we can hit OK. Alright, once you hit OK, it'll open up the folder that the file saved to. As you can see, it renamed the file so it'll match the PSP file naming format. There's more information about this in the DVD Ranger support frequently asked questions page, so you can go there for more information. But that concludes this tutorial, so have fun.